Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add login page on your Wix website. First, go to the website you want to edit and on the left toolbar, click on Add Apps. Then search for Wix members area. And click on the first one and add it. Next, to have the login bar, click on Add Elements, then choose Community. Click on the element under the login bar, then you'll see it at the top of your site. You can click on it and choose Set up Login Bar so you can customize it to your liking. To see how it's like, you can click on Preview and it will show you how the login page is on the viewers. And that's it. You now have a login set up to your Wix website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.